Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss the biology chapter, and our recommended book is Science Biology of class 10. Here, student, we are going to start from the topic that is other modes of heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition are of three types. Saprophytic nutrition, parasitic, and holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic or saprophytic nutrition, it means these are those heterotrophs which get their food supply from dead organism or decaying matter. The saprophytes are mainly confined to the bacteria and fungi. Saprophytic fungi and bacteria release digestive enzymes outside their body. The enzymes break down the solid and insoluble organic food into soluble and inorganic form. This soluble food is absorbed. Thus, they bring out the decay and decomposition of dead organic matter. Yeast is an example of saprophytic fungus and feed saprophytically on sugar solution on which it grows. Mushroom and noodles are also saprophytic fungi. Saprophytes act as decomposers or reducers into the ecosystem. Now the second part, that is parasitic nutrition. Parasites live on or inside. ये पैरासाइट वो ऑर्गेनिज्म में जो या तो किसी भी अपने होस्ट के ऊपर या उसके बॉडी के अंदर रहते हैं स्टूडेंट, इनको हम लोग बोलते हैं पैरासाइट्स. दे एब्जॉर्ब द फूड फ्रॉम देयर बॉडी. वो अपने होस्ट से ही अपना फूड डेराइव करते हैं एंड डैमेज और इवन किल इट इन द प्रोसेस. दिस फिनोमेना इज कॉल्ड parasitism. Non-chlorophyllous plant, many bacteria, viruses and some fungi come under this category. In the case of fungi, mycelium go deep into the tissue of the host and secrete enzymes. These enzymes convert the complex food of host into soluble form, and finally it is absorbed and assimilated by fungal hyphae. For this purpose, tips and hyphae become rounded and are called hostoria. The parasitic bacteria are responsible for causing several diseases in man, animals and plants, hence pathogenic. Some common examples of stems and root parasites is in higher plants are total stem parasite, Cascuta. This is the picture, Cascuta and Viscum. How they work and derive their nutrition. Partial stem parasite, Viscal loranthus. Total root parasitic plant in Rafflesia, while partial root parasitic plant in Santalum sandalwood. In other smaller organisms, parasite derives from other organism host. It is sown by many bacteria, viruses, fungi, etc. Puccinia, wheat and barberry plants. Some non-green plants, many animals, that is roundworms, etc. It may be ectoparasitic, ticks, lice, leech, bedbugs, head louse, or endoparasitic, that is Plasmodium malaria parasite, intercellular parasites or Taenia ascaris, and blood fluid filarial worm. Certain green species of Euglena, that is E. viridis and E. gracilis, are autotrophic in the presence of light but became saprotrophic in dark. This dual mode of nutrition is called mixotrophic nutrition. And the third one is holozoic. Holozoic means, students, those organisms feed exclusively on the solid organic food material. That is, the food may be of whole plant or either, चाहे वो फूड पूरा होल प्लांट हो या होल एनिमल हो. It is found in the most of the free living animals including man. Depending upon the source of food, holozoic or heterotrophs are of following types. Holozoic, it means herbivores. These are direct plant feeding heterotrophs, that is rabbit, cow, horse, deer, sheep, goat, etc. They are plant eaters. Carnivorous, these derive organic food from their animal food, that is lion, tiger, etc. They are meat eaters. And third one in holozoic nutrition is omnivorous. These are those animals which feed upon both plant and animals, that is prawn, crow, ant, etc. So omnivorous are both plant eaters as well as meat eaters. Differences between saprophytes and parasites are food, organic from organic remains, food from inorganic or from living organism, that is host. Saprophyte release the enzymes from the outer surface to make the food soluble. Here it is absent. Only digested soluble food is absorbed. In the ingested food may be pre-digested or semi-digested, yeah, or undigested. Here sucking structures absent. Here in parasite present. Fate of food may spoil the food. Parasites robs the host of food. So these are the basic differences between saprophytes and parasites. Now holozoic nutrition and saprozoic nutrition differences is nature of food. In holozoic, whole plant or animal on their part solid food is ingested. In feed upon decaying organic matter, liquid digested food is taken. Site of digestion always inside food, inside body, either intracellularly or intercellularly, always outside the body as enzymes are released on the food outside the body. Occurrence, food found in human beings, rabbit, vulture, cockroach, owls, lizards, and here food found in fungi. So this is the end of this topic, students. We will meet in the next video with the next topic, that is exchange of gases, that is exchange of gases in plants. So that's all, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.